All right, I'm here at Iowa at the Midwest Woodworking and Scroll Saw Show, and I'm here with Miter Mike from Miter Mike's Wood Shop. Check his YouTube channel out; it is fantastic. We're here to show you a new product we have at Bearwood Supply, and I'm going to get Mike to introduce it and show it in action as he's prepping a piece.
So, this collet that they carry now is designed to go into your drill press because the tiny bits for when you're scrolling, they don't always fit in the drill press. They also have a sorted pack of bits, and the tiny one, if you can really see, it's the smallest it goes down to.
Wow, that's small.
That is tiny. And the collet comes with three collets.
And are they assorted sizes or all the same size?
No,
they're assorted sizes? Yeah.
One comes in the chuck head. That is the smallest one. And what they'll do is we have two more.
Okay, gotcha.
So you can insert bigger bits. So if we don't have a drill press, we're just going to simulate this on a regular drill. Tighten that down. Ready to go.
Steve Good's blog today was a table. What did he call it? A sawhorse for your table, like a 6-inch rise sawhorse you make on the scroll saw. I was thinking we could have made one of those today. Yeah.
Should have told us ahead of time.
So what kind of wood are you drilling into?
This is walnut.
Okay.
We got it from Peterson's Custom Lumber. They donated it to us so that we can use it.
Great local vendor for those of you in Wisconsin area. All right. Gonna sign off on this for now, Mike.